This is a project 0 from CS50 web application development. So yeah, I got to build a website that looks like that of Google. So with this, I was able to make the design of Google. Then I also have two links above, which this one I can just navigate to another page, which is image search, and I can go back from there also. I can also go to advanced search here and go back from there in this website that I just designed. Okay, to just take a brief and comprehensive specification of what I've done here, it looks just like that of Google with this search bar. So I'm going back to my design. This says the step one says the website should have at least 3 pages. One for regular Google search, which is the one that I have here, which must be called index.html. As you can see, I have it here, index.html. Then it said one for Google image search and one for Google advanced search. On the Google search page, there should be link in the upper right, this upper right here of the page to go to image search and advanced search. So this link here can take me to image search, and if I should go back, this one can also take me to advanced search. On each of the other 2 pages, there should be a link in the upper right. Yes, these are the other pages. Then it said there should be a link to the upper right that go back to Google search. So this one will take me back to Google search. And if I'm in advanced page, by clicking on this link, it will take me back to Google search. That is for the first specification. Now, the second specification is that on the Google search page, the user should be able to type in a query. Okay, this is the Google search page. The user should be able to type in a query, click Google search. So this is a query CS50. Click Google search and be taken to the Google search result of that page. Like Google own, your search bar should be centered with rounded corner. Yes, it is in the center with rounded corner. This is my search bar. It is centered in this page with rounded corner. The search button should also be created and should be beneath the search bar. This is the search button. So I click on this. It takes the user to the Google search results page automatically just from my website. Okay, I can just go a step back and say, okay, this is my local local website created. So if the person click on Google search, it will surely take the person to this page. That is Google search results. So that's for the second specification. The third specification says on the Google image search, okay, image search, it says the user should be able to type in a query, click the search button, and be taken to Google image search result for that page. So if I click on this Google image search result, as you can see, I'm on my local website here. Okay, so by the time I click Google search, coming up here, this is just it's redirects the person to Google to Google image site here. So it's just redirect the person to the Google image site here. So that is for the second for the third specification. Now the fourth specification says on Google advanced search. I go back, then this is my Google advanced search. On Google advanced search, the user should be able to provide input for this four input feed taken from Google's own, which are find page is with this all these words, find pages with this exact word or phrase, find pages with any of this word. Then it's also say find pages with none of this word. So as you can see here, it's having the same styling as that of Google. So I'm having Google, which is specifying advanced search, and it's also here advanced search. Then it does this line break. Okay, so coming down here is the input feed for those, which is all this word. So if I should type in something here, Harvard, then click on advanced search, it will search this result, all this word. Then if I should come back here and type in Harvard, yeah, I should cancel this. You will see the difference. This one will be putting in quotes. So it is here. This one is putting in quotes exactly this word. And if I should come back again, this is advanced search. So if I should come down again, any of these words, putting Harvard again, it will bring out my results. Any of this word, and going back again, none of this word. Harvard. I should cancel this. Harvard. Then the advanced search also take me to this none of this word by putting that minus there on its own. So this is for the fifth for that advanced search specification. Now it says this four options should be stacked vertically, which are successfully done, consistent with Google CSS. And when advanced search button is clicked, the user should be taken to the search results. And I'm feeling lucky should be in my Google's here. I'm feeling lucky when the person click it, it takes the person to the first page. So if I'm having CS50, I'm feeling lucky we also search and take the person probably to the first page by redirecting the person there automatically. So this is that's one there. So it says you may inquire some directory notice when okay, that is not necessary. And it said the CSS you write should resemble Google's own. Exactly. So with what I've done here, this resembles that of Google. So I would just say a project well done by me. I can navigate to image search, go back to advanced search, and also go back. Whereas when you click on it, it usually take you to where you're heading to.